안녕하세요. 오늘의 비디오는 CU 포스트를 사용하는 방법을 보여드리겠습니다. Char lang, so mag-English lang ko na para mag-get sa all. So I will show you how to use CU post. So first, you pinduting. Char lang. You select the PA1 택배 접수 kung hindi ka member sa CU post, eme. And then 연장 접수 kung hindi ka naka-reserve online, whatever. So timbangayz mo yung ano mo. You have to weigh your parcel. Okay? So next is you select the 국내 택배 or domestic delivery. So here you have to choose the right picture that answers the question. Huh? Whatever. So if the picture is not there, I don't care. Just. So it says here that Elsa is not allowed, meaning no frozen goods are allowed during summertime because it will get panos. You know panos? You Google. And then you enter the estimated value of your parcel. 보내는 사람, it means you. Your information. You have to put your name, your phone number, your address, your detailed address, and your motto in life. Char. So you can write your name in Korean or in English. It's up to you. So just explore the buttons there because it's kinda hard. And then 받는 사람, the receiver's information. Shout out to you, bitch. That's my friend Maddie. Next is the amount 5,200 won, and then hagin. So you have to check the information you entered if it's correct, and agree, and then the sticker will come out and you have to go to the cashier, pay for it, of course. And then they will send you a message if they already picked up your parcel at the store. And after 2 to 3 days, they will send you a message with a picture when the parcel has arrived. Okay. And that's the receipt. If you have questions, suggestions, or violent reactions, just comment down below. Bye!